OPAL is a nationwide project funded by the Big Lottery and aimed at engaging communities with the natural world through scientific surveys of nature that seek to educate and raise awareness about the state of our environment. Through community participation in these surveys, OPAL seeks to increase understanding about our ecosystems and environment to inspire a new generation of nature lovers and conservationists.
We'll probably find some of these. And have you ever seen cuckoo spit? It's not really cuckoo spit, it's called cuckoo spit, the white foam you get on plants. And that's created by bees. And
OPAL South West, based at the University of Plymouth, is bringing together scientists and local communities to spark people's interest and enthusiasm to learn more about their local wildlife. We have been working with schools, families, young people and community groups across Plymouth and the South West region, involving them in recording invertebrate populations, carrying out surveys of water quality in ponds and lakes, studying the diversity of plants in local grasslands, and facilitating learning about biodiversity and local ecology. In the summer of 2011, OPAL South West ran a series of Explore Nature courses for Plymouth Youth Service, working with young people from across the city and teaching them how to carry out the national OPAL surveys of nature. Young people learnt how to identify invertebrates, measure water clarity and pH, carry out quadrat surveys of vegetation and about the importance of biodiversity. In partnership with Stepping Stones to Nature, OPAL has also brought the local community into the city's nature reserves, engaging over 150 local people in community wildlife events this summer and helping increase access to and understanding of natural spaces. OPAL aims to target some of the most deprived communities in the area and is working with Plymouth City Council's Neighbourhood Regeneration Team and local charities to get people from inner city areas into their local parks. Initiatives have included family bugs count events in North Prospect and Stonehouse, and working with adults with learning difficulties and mental health issues in Devonport. In addition, OPAL has worked regularly with Foundation Learning, a BTCV-led youth group for 16 to 18-year-olds who are not in education, employment or training. OPAL South West has also been engaging with many schools in the region, running survey sessions and classroom activities around the national OPAL surveys and enabling children and young people to explore the natural world around them. In the last year alone, around 6,700 people have directly benefited from OPAL activities, and over 2,400 of these people came from hard-to-reach communities. In surveys of 80 participants from activities in the spring and summer of 2011, over 90% of people said that they had learned something new about nature, had developed new skills, wanted to sign up for further activities, and recommend OPAL to their friends and family.
Did you enjoy yourself today?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Today we had great fun. Yeah. It was really good. Yes. It was really fun.
Good.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, did enjoy myself today.
Yes, I caught a damselfly.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Buzzing spiders, one of the bigger money spiders, we have some wood lice, a tiny money spider here, we have some mirrored bugs here, and quite loads of these immature spiders. And we did have two fabulous pendromorph centipede, and this is a guy with 21 pairs of legs, and you see the last pair is really big, Another crab spider coming in. There we go. Oh, no, he's come. Oh, look, and it's big one on your neck. I just grabbed it.
Oh!
He was going for your jugular. Yeah, so these guys, they got 21 pairs of legs, and in this country, that's as big as they get. And we only have 3 species here. But as soon as you get into warmer climes, then they start to get much bigger. And you go down to southern Spain, and they get this big. And then you get into the tropics, and they get this big. And they're really brightly coloured. And they've got big jaws, and you don't want to get bitten by one.
No.
It's very unpleasant.